All right, this is me trying to do a GoPro for the first time. And we're gonna take Rosie for a walk. Let's check out and see how we do this. So let's see. I gotta get all her stuff. There's her stuff in my boots. Let me find the puppy. Where's the puppy? There's the puppy. Say hello, puppy. All right, let's get your, here. I'm gonna get this on. There we go. Oh my goodness, that's the hardest part right there. Massive nose. Okay. Now we're gonna go out the RV. We're gonna take a walk because it's a gorgeous day, maybe, in North Carolina. Here we go. All right, so this is fun. So these are our friends from Nursing Our Travel Bug. I'm gonna let you guys introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Natasha.
And I'm Bill.
Wonderful, and I'm Charlie Grace behind the camera. So how long have you guys been in this RV?
A little over 3.5 years.
3.5 years, and you guys have been doing a channel on YouTube for how long?
About the same amount of time. Basically, when we launched in May of 2017, we did all of the things. It was the first time we RV'd. It was the first time we jumped on YouTube, and it was the first time we had to explore the world of homeschooling.
Wow, that's a lot. That is absolutely a lot. So now you're homeschooling and traveling with 2 awesome kids and a puppers.
Yes.
How is Bernie dealing with you guys traveling? How is he adjusting?
You know, I think he did really well in the beginning. I mean, like the kids said, he does get really excited to go out on car rides and go out and explore. But once he's in the car and it's moving, he's just chill. But as soon as we stop, he wants to get out and smell everything and explore everything.
Mm-hmm.
That makes sense. I know. Well, he's a sweetie. So looking back on your 3.5 years of doing this, what are some things that you would tell people, give some advice if they decide to go full time? Now that you know what you know.
As far as pets or just in general?
In general.
Ooh, yeah.
It's a big one.
I always say stuff is gonna happen. Stuff's gonna break. You gotta roll with it. I used to freak out every time something would happen, but now, since it happens, and it does happen a lot, you get over it quicker. So that's always my advice. Just try to roll with it. Stuff's gonna happen.
Yeah. My advice is embrace the memories and get over the stuff. You really learn with this lifestyle what is important to you in life, and don't be afraid to get rid of it.
All right, this is speed round of top 5 questions. Ready? Where did you first meet?
Work.
Omaha, Nebraska.
Yes.
Okay, what is your favorite food?
Mexican.
Yeah, I'll go with that.
Okay, go with that. Where is your favorite place that you've traveled to so far?
Oh, that's tough.
New York City for me.
I don't know. There's too many.
Pick one. Do it. Now. Do it.
San Antonio?
San Antonio. Okay, so that's good. Okay, what is your favorite type of music?
Rock.
Rock.
Alternative.
You can name a band. You can name a band. It's okay.
There's too many for me to name.
Too many? Okay.
Yeah.
If I had to pick one, it'd probably be Billy Joel for me.
Billy Joel. Very cool. Okay. Last question. What is your favorite RV? If you had to have a dream RV right now, if you see one out there right now, what would be your favorite dream RV right now?
A Prevost.
A Prevost?
Oh, yeah.
Probably what is the long haul lifesavers? What is it? A Van Lee that they have that's made by Tiffin? It's a 5th wheel, and the slide outs. I'm really tall, so the slide outs themselves are like 8 feet tall.
Mm-hmm.
So that might be the dream, maybe.
Really?
Front living once the kids are gone, right?
Totally.
And how do you end your videos every time?
Well, I'm Natasha
And I'm Bill.
with Nursing Our Travel Bug, encouraging you to nurse what makes you happy.
Thanks for watching. please like and subscribe and hit the bell to get notified. And thanks for being our forever best friend.